Hi everybody, thanks for joining me today. I'm going to make one of my favorite fall muffins. It's pumpkins with chocolate chips and it's only 3 ingredients and it's fast, delicious, and of course very easy. Okay, so here we go. So it's a box of pumpkin spice mix and you can find these on sale sometimes for $1. Okay, then a can of pumpkin puree. So I got to open this. I want to stock up on this because this has very good vitamins, fiber. So this is a good pantry item. So pumpkin puree. You don't want the pumpkin pie filling, you want the pumpkin puree. Would it hurt if you had the pie filling? Probably not, but it might be too sweet. Just try it, see if it works. I'm sure it would work. I think I got it all. Chocolate chips. Technically, as many as you want. It's 1 to 2 cups. Looks like I gotta sharpen this. So I'll eyeball it. 1. You know what? We're gonna go the whole bag. See, it's even easier. You don't have to measure a thing. Spatula. Jump mix. Thank you, darling. She's scratching the rug because she wants to lay down. The chocolate chips are also a pantry item for me. I can really only find the dark chocolate on Amazon at a good price. And then I buy it in bulk because sometimes that is cheaper for sure. When you buy that in bulk. I have compared it to Kirkland's, the Costco. Toll House is cheaper. Kirkland's dark chocolate chips are very expensive, I think. Could have changed since the last time I looked. I'm tired, but I really want to make these because I would like something with my coffee in the morning, whether I have that coffee at home or when I get to work. Plus, it'll make my house smell spectacular. Could you have done this in the food processor? Yes. KitchenAid, standing mixer? Yes. But since this is it, I mean, I don't really need to get all that stuff out and get it messy. Okay, clean up a bit. You can use the silicone. I don't have any silicone muffin cups. You can just spray these and not use the muffin cups. So, I also would love to have one of those cookie scoops, you know, so they're all the same size. Well, I don't have one of those. I have the oven preheated, boop, boop, at 350. Tastes pretty good. Add a little more there. That's probably too much, but one big scoop like that actually is perfect. And I can go back and add more. Now, I also have done these as mini muffins, and then I'll take them to a party or have like as a shareable. Kids love these. Adults love these. You'll love these because they're easy. Russ loves these. They're good lunch. I think this made a little bit more than a dozen this time, which is all right. So I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'll be right back. Give me a second. Give me a second. I have a 6-cupper. Excuse me, Maggie. Thank you, Dolly. Oh. One, two. Let's start with 3. See if I have enough. Now, I had mini muffin tins. I could have done that too. Made a dozen of those. Let's see. All right. I'm going to get the rest of these. All right, I'm gonna pop these in the oven. When my timer goes off, I'll bring you back. Okay, 17 minutes later, and they're done. So as you notice, from when I put them in, they don't rise much. So you really can pack them full. Okay? All right, they're so good. They're hot now. I can't open one up for you. I guess I could, but I won't. I want them to cool a bit. Thanks for watching. Actually, no. I'll bring you back and I'll cut one in half so you see what they look like. So of course I couldn't wait. See? So you do want them to cool, otherwise the chocolate chips aren't, hard enough yet. Oh man, these are so good. I wish you could smell these. My house smells so good. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Remember, very easy. A box of spice mix, a can of pumpkin puree, and I used a whole bag of dark chocolate chips because they're big, but 1 to 2 cups. That's it. 350. I did 17 minutes, so depending on your oven, 15 to 20, whatever. And you're done. All right, enjoy. Bye.